Hi folks, today we are going to discuss about the Postman tool. So we are going to start the new tutorial Postman. So actually this is the first tutorial we are starting in this our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial we are going to explain the what is the use of the Postman tool, where we are going to use this Postman tool, what is the use of this Postman tool in the real time. Okay, so these are the main factors we are going to cover in this tutorial. So this is the first video we are going to cover what is the purpose of the Postman and where we are going to use this Postman and how to set up the Postman in your PC. So these are the key factors we are going to cover in this particular video. Later on we are going to focus on one by one of the respective features which are available in the Postman. Okay, so now first we can focus on the Postman tool. So actually this is a Postman tool. This is a one of the API. So it is a open source we can use without paying any money or any. So this is a open source tool. So why we are going to use this Postman tool? So first we need to understand the purpose of the Postman tool. Okay, let's take an example. So now you are working with the any company. Okay, so we are going to develop an applications, like for example I am going to develop an application of the student registration. Okay, so here I build a 4 APIs. One API, so the responsible for the one API is to save the student information. Okay, so next one I develop the get all student information. Second API I develop. So third one, so delete the respective student information. Okay, delete operation is also completed. Okay, so next I want to update the any student mobile number or something personal information of the student. In this case I developed the one more API. So totally here we develop the bunch of APIs. Okay, one for the post, put, delete and get. Okay, so now we developed an application, so we produce the API. Okay, so but after developing on any application, so the first responsibility is we need to check each and every API is working fine or not. Okay, so to check any API is working fine or not, we need to test that API, right? So for testing this particular APIs, we are going to use the Postman tool. Okay, I think you got my point, right? So the purpose of the Postman tool is to test the APIs which we developed. Okay, so based on our testing, we can say our API is working fine without any issues. So actually here we have the two type of testings. Okay, one is the manual testing, another one is the automation testing. Automation testing we are going to use the some of the tools, I mean some of the libraries which Spring Boot is providing. Okay, so but in this case we are going to discuss about the manual testing only. If we want to do the manual testing of your APIs, we need to use the Postman tool. Okay, I think you got your my point. Okay, next, what is the exact meaning of the Postman? Okay, so let's discuss about the second. Okay, so you can see Postman is widely used API testing tool. So we already discussed, right? So the purpose of the Postman is so to test the APIs. Okay, it, I mean it provides a lot of features here. So it is not only for testing the APIs. It will provide a lot of features. Okay, it offers a few user-friendly interface. Okay, so it will provide a simple user-friendly interface. Like it will make our work as easy. Okay, if anyone go to this Postman tool interface, it looks like very simple. Easily we can understand. There is no complex in that Postman tool. Okay, so making it accessible to the both the developer and testers. I mean, Postman is not only for the developers. So testers also going to use this tool for testing the application. Okay, with Postman you can create, execute and automate API testing effectively. Okay, so we previously discussed one example. So if you want test the manually, you can test this, or else you can make it automation also. Okay, so actually how we are going to develop the APIs? So APIs maybe we can develop in different protocols. Okay, one is the HTTP protocol, another one is the HTTPS protocol. So if you develop any application with these two protocols also, like HTTP or HTTPS, we can test both type of protocol APIs by using the Postman. Okay, so in some cases, maybe in some cases, maybe there is a chance it is not only purely HTTP or HTTPS also. Sometimes we need to follow the some authentication types, so the authentication types we need to we can implement by using this Postman tool. Okay, so next one is, now we are going to download the Postman. How to download the Postman, how to set up in your system. Okay, so this is the way to download the Postman tool. Okay, so if you want to download any Postman tool, first of all, you just need to go to this. Okay, you just need to go to this website and copy that link and paste in. Okay, paste in your system. So now to click the download the app button as per the configuration of the operating system. I mean, like maybe based on your Windows system. So if it is Windows is 32-bit or 64-bit, based on your bit configuration, you need to download it. Okay, so my PC is the 64-bit. Now I'm going to download the 64-bit Postman tool. Okay, now once I click the download button, so here I can find. Okay, yeah, you can see my Postman is downloaded. Okay, now we are going to install this Postman tool in our PC.